Alrighty boys, got a little bit of bad news for little Honda here. It seems to have a blown head gasket. I've been riding like that for about a month now, so definitely not ideal. But I'm bringing her over to Carter's right now. I got the swing arm all turned off because I was doing the bearings and kind of realized it when I saw a little milk in there. And I've been having to top up my coolant for a while now too. All right boys, this is officially fucked. I'm in the back of my bed. Check out the setup we got though. Got one strap to the subframe, one strap right where the swing arm's supposed to go. Thing's not going nowhere. Is that it? So what are we doing? We got the whole bike apart now.
Here. Give me the fucking hammer. Goddamn. Valve reveal.
Alrighty.
Let's see it. Not bad, not bad.
For what?
Gnarly Productions.
Oh shit.
There you go.
Jesus Christ, Kenny. Ready, go. Oh, fresh oil.
That's what I'm saying. Like way too often oil changes. But hey, wait a minute, man. Check this shit out. Taking off a fresh Yoshimura header. If you remember in the previous video, I'll plug that right there.
Oh, it's looking pretty good. It's looking good, Kenny.
How's the cylinder looking, baby? Put on the flash.
Not bad, not bad. How's the cylinder? The spirits? A little bit of scoring, Not bad though. Not bad.
Oh, that's oil. I thought that was fucking scoring.
No, there's some small ones there, but nothing.
Piston is tiny.
Nothing serious.
Try to go riding tonight. Nope. Wouldn't start. No compression. Oh well. Time for a rebuild on both bikes. Yo, Eli. What are you saying?
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. So today, I'm gonna tell you Honda. Look at this right now. Okay, it's a dirt bike, it's a Honda with a kickstand. Motor's missing.
Look at this Honda. Doesn't even have an engine.
It's only fun when it's working. This right here, crashed it myself.
Fuck them. It happens.
I guess it happens. Brand new Yoshis. Burnt boy.
Fucking hurt. One other thing about Honda. It's very durable. Extremely. I don't know what any of this shit is, but it's fine. It's Honda.
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
Hopefully this is the last night we're working on this thing. We're gonna get her done.
No nigga don't wanna go to school today. Let me call this bitch and get my shit together. When I pull up, beat low so fresh in my ride. We smoke the best you can buy. Them niggas talking it, but they just don't go harder than us. Keep stunting just cause I can. These hoes know just who I am. Them niggas talking it, but they just don't go harder than us. This one's for the G's. the cuffs of my jeans.
Give her right. Cold start, 2021 CRF250RX. Some choke. Turn it over good. We got the Honda back, baby. Took about 2 weeks, but and a lot of man hours. Thanks to Carter, I was able to use his shop, so shout out that. She's running pretty good.
She looks pretty good.
Fuck, that just gets you wet.
We're out for our first ride right now, so gonna do a little sound test.
Beauty
of
day.
These Honda dirt bikes.
Foreign exchange to change. Fame came with the chain. You get a stripe for a stain. You bout to crash out your lane. The umbrella out of the rose was color and know it came with the rain. No letting it up in the veteran. Nigga do anything for a name. When you start getting a little change, watch how your partners and everything change. And when you step foot in that field, make sure you strap and make sure you got aim. My niggas they shooting to live. I see some niggas they shooting for fame. They don't know that this shit real. That's how you end up getting blowed out your brains. The money, the car, the chains and fame. I give up everything. Wow. To see my grandma, just to see my can pick of the drug, can't heal all the pain. No cap. I get you knocked off of earth. You play with my body, you play with my name. Play with it. I wet him up like he surf. If he looking strange, I pop at his brain. Don't play with me.
Yo, where we going?
New dirt bike, fresh it day.
What kind?
RM Susie.
Suzuki.
Fuck yeah.
I want to pick up a brand new dirt bike for Kurt Hater.
Let's go. Oh, I can't do that, man. Oh my god, man. Oh,
Holy.
that is a rig.
God, that thing's fresh, dude.
I haven't even really started it.
Carter got a new dirt
Got
bike.
a lot of compression.
Fucking
What,
good.
first kick.